Question 24, quickly surveying our answer choices here using howevers. We know that these are, again, linking clauses using our subordinated conjunction. Question 24 is very similar to question 22 on what we just did. We can begin with during the English neoclassical period, all the way down to Greece and Rome. This is one idea. Our second idea continues with they were not the first in England to adopt the literary modes of classical antiquity. Third idea, with some of the most prominent figures of the early Renaissance period were also influenced by ancient Greek and Rome literature. So our job is to identify where this however belongs. However, either belongs to our green or the orange. And because however does a contradiction, you can just approach it logically by saying they were not the first in England to adopt the literary modes of classical antiquity, however. That's one way. Or you can do they were not the first in England to adopt the literary modes of classical antiquity. However, if you choose D, let's say, if you place the however into our orange part, then this idea here, the third idea, is what will be contradicting to the green. Okay? Now, is the influence of Greek and Roman literature something that is contradicting to not the first England to adopt? So you can see that the orange is actually a continuation of the green idea, meaning that we can't choose D. So choice D will be unused because however should not be attached to our orange. However should not be attached to orange because however belongs to our second one, where this evidence, not the first in England, is the contradiction of the previous. So how do we choose from A, B, C, D? That places, however, in the second, the green idea. That is our answer choice C. Okay? And this means they were not the first in England to adopt the literary modes of classical antiquity, however. That's how it reads. C is our correct answer choice. Now I can go to A, B, C, and D and explain that by choosing A, we call this, if you place however after the antiquity, this also puts however in the third idea, but this we call a comma splice. And choice B is run on, or this is actually a comma splice as well by having commas. So this, however, also belongs to third sentence once again. This, however, to third. This, however, belongs to second green. This, however, again, belongs to third. Okay. So choice D is grammatically is not wrong, but this is what we call a shift of an idea, sentence shift. What is a sentence shift? Sentence shift means by misplacing a transition, you have basically changed the idea from the original. That's what shift means. And you should not be shifting just because grammar is correct. So correct answer, C.